We have reached the midpoint of April, and you can tell the heat is up a little bit.
Yeah.
It is up 10 degrees
Yeah.
or more above where it should be in mid-April, at least out in the hill country today. It was 88 in Austin, which is 8 degrees above the average. Right now, it's 9 o'clock at night. We're still 80 degrees out there in Marble Falls and Johnson City and Blanco in the metro area. Also a few 80s on the weather map from Round Rock back out to western Williamson County, all the way down to western Hayes County and Wimberley. And off to the east, at least you folks are in the 70s right now, but it's a warm night. In Austin, skies are mostly cloudy. Pretty good deck of high clouds out there. It's 79 in downtown. By morning, we're only expecting to drop to maybe 70 for the low, with low clouds and patchy drizzle possible in the morning. 82 by noon, and right back up into the upper 80s tomorrow afternoon, with some locations in the hill country likely to top 90 degrees again, third day in a row. 79 tonight in the city, 78 at the airport, with that mostly cloudy sky and a pretty good breeze out of the southeast right off the Gulf, 10 miles per hour or less. In the pollen count today, only mold, oak, and pecan, but the mold and the oak are high today. Around Texas tonight, very warm from here south and back to the west, a little cooler up there in the Panhandle. There's a stationary front up here in northwest Texas right now. We've seen a couple of isolated severe storms fire on that front tonight, but not very many of them. And that front is not coming any closer to us anytime soon because of a developing area of low pressure out to the west that'll keep that cold air bottled up for a couple of days. But by Thursday, this low will have moved out across Kansas and colder air will surge south all the way down here into central Texas. But between now and then, warm and humid. We'll continue to see this low-level moisture come in the overnight period with patchy drizzle in the morning. Patchy drizzle again early Wednesday morning with low clouds. And then during the day Wednesday, maybe a passing shower before that cooler air rushes in here. We think early Thursday morning is going to be the time frame that we see the best chance for rain and some thunderstorms, and then about a 20-degree temperature drop. Tonight, the overnight lows are well above average, again 70 or maybe above in parts of the metro area. Tomorrow afternoon, our highs should get into the upper 80s in most locations, easily above 90 degrees out in the hill country. And if we get enough sunshine in the Austin area tomorrow afternoon, we too could top 90 degrees. 70 the low tonight with south winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour and a lot of clouds in the sky, low clouds streaming in here after midnight. And then tomorrow morning, we're overcast, a little light fog, maybe a little patchy drizzle possibly. South wind at 10 to 15, 89 degrees tomorrow afternoon with kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine and that southeast wind. And it will be just as warm on Wednesday. That front doesn't come in until, again, we think early Thursday, the way it looks right now. That'll keep it cooler Thursday, give us a chance of at least morning rain and thunderstorms, and some of those could potentially be severe. We always have to watch these kind of systems this time of year, certainly prime severe weather season right now. Then notice the temperature drop there. Friday, only in the 60s, and the morning low is actually chilly as we head into the weekend, but the afternoons this weekend will be beautiful.